In your midst, I will leave a humble and a lowly people. A reading from the prophet Zephaniah. Seek the Lord, all you the humble of the earth, who obey his commands. Seek integrity, seek humility. You may perhaps find shelter on the day of the anger of the Lord. In your midst, I will leave a humble and lowly people. Those who are left in Israel seek refuge in the name of the Lord. They will do no wrong, will tell no lies, and the perjured tongue will no longer be found in their mouth. But they will be able to graze and rest with no one will disturb them. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
Happy the poor in spirit, the kingdom of heaven is theirs.
Happy the poor in spirit, the kingdom of heaven is theirs.
It is the Lord who keeps faith forever, who is just to those who are oppressed. It is He who gives bread to the hungry, the Lord who sets prisoners free.
Happy the poor in spirit, the kingdom of heaven is theirs.
It is the Lord who gives sight to the blind, who raises up those who are bowed down. The Lord who protects the stranger and upholds the widow and orphan.
Happy the poor in spirit, the kingdom of heaven is theirs.
It is the Lord who loves the just, but thwarts the path of the wicked. The Lord will reign forever, says God from age to age.
Happy the poor in spirit, the kingdom of heaven is theirs.
God has chosen what is weak by human reckoning. A reading from the first letter of St. Paul to the Corinthians. Take yourselves, brothers, at a time when you were called, how many of you was wise in the ordinary sense of the word? How many of you were influential people who came from noble families? No.